Hello, this is Gary Pace. Just wanted to let you know that I have put together a new podcast called the Welding Codex. The Welding Codex is a podcast for those who want to learn about the technical side of welding. We're going to sit down and talk philosophy of welding, welding codes, welding defects, topics of a technical nature. The other two hosts of the program are Peter Kinney and Joel Christie. Both are Ohio State welding engineers and bring a wealth of knowledge to the table as we grind through welding codes and related technical questions. If you have any questions, you can email me. My email is gpacex@gmail.com. We're probably going to put together a mailbag related episode at some point in time, and we'll just grind through a bunch of questions from people that listen to the podcast. You can see here I've got the podcast feed. It's feed.podbean.com/gpacex/feed.xml. That'll get you to the podcast RSS site so you can start downloading. If you have any questions related to codes, standards, metallurgy, welding issues, whatever in regards to welding and the codes and the technical side of welding, lob me an email at gpacex@gmail.com. We'll include that in future mailbag episodes when we get to it. Right now we're doing a slow grind through AWS D1.1, and when we wrap that up, we'll see where we're going, but in between now and the end of that, we might do a mailbag if there's enough questions or we can figure out which direction we're going to go or there's enough people listening. If you like the podcast or the YouTube videos, or you think they might have been worth $1 or $2, maybe helped you pass the CWI or address some information that you couldn't get from other sources, I have a website donation PayPal site set up if you want to throw me $1 or $2 if you think it's been worth it. Also, here's the podcast location, gpacex.podbean.com. Anyway, take care. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. GPace out.